Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for USOIL. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave Theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the presented accounts. Let's get started. Starting from 4-hour time frame, we have had this kind of setup here. We have a couple of different ways to look at it, so let's get going. One is saying that we have a third of something here, this time minute, into fourth ending here. Other scenario is again that we're having higher time frame, third here, fourth here, or fourth lower time, or somewhere around here. But again, just having this higher time frame stuff ending here is just overall both of these counts are very bullish. But again, this is less bullish, so I call it bearish count. Again, we have a possibility of this wave 4 ending here. At that point, this would be a minor degree wave, but for now, let's keep it as such. We have a possibility of this being an ABC into a wave, then ABC into B, and then looking for 5 waves for C. However, we haven't tagged this 85.4 retracement of this first leg completely yet, so we'll see what happens. It is very close though, so we could be giving that margin of error here for, what is that, like 0.2%. So yeah, it is definitely possible that we have already done A, B, and now looking for wave C to come down. And this is the bearish way to look at this structure. How are we going to label this? Well, with a diagonal. This would be again an A, B, and C. We do not get to the 85.4 retracements area. We're really close though. Did we come there? Let's measure that properly. Thought we didn't. No, it is again very close, as you see. We're not touching it. But again, it is up to you how you want to say that. If we are touching it, then we would need 3 waves in this. If we are not touching, then we are looking for 5 waves. At this moment, it does not really matter. On both scenarios, we are looking for 5 waves in this one, which it does look like we definitely can have. 1, 2, another ABC into third, ABC into fourth, ABC into fifth, completing up here. And now we would be looking for 5 waves down for the C wave to complete the wave 4. Now the other scenario is that we've already created, that's wrong area, there we go, is that we've already created the wave 4 down here, and now we would be looking for bullish movement off of the lows. Of course, we can still have this same structure here, and instead we would just call this as a 1-2, and this would be another 1-2, because we can't have a diagonal in the third. So again, but we'll see what happens in the future. Other scenario is again having this as a 1, 3 waves into A, 3 waves into B, and then 5 waves into C to create the 2. From here on out, we have a possibility for a 5-way structure here into 1, 2, another 1, 2, and then we have this mess here. Let's take a look at that mess closer. Now, to get this 1 here, we would have to have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 and 4 are not overlapping, they're really close as well again, and this is really not looking too good of a structure overall either. So it is possible that we would have this whole thing as some kind of a B, and C running flat ending here. Now, running flats are more rare than very bad looking impulse structures, at least to me. So I'm willing to give this a chance here of having this impulse structure here instead of the B wave. Again, this mess here, let's take a look. One possibility is this one, where we have a 1 here, wave 2 here, 3, 4, and 5. Expanding diagonal, but the issue is this structure here goes way above the trend line. Usually that don't happen in expanding or any diagonals, so therefore that makes this less of a likely count to happen. The other scenario is that we're still within trying to create some kind of structure here, possibly for another diagonal, as this definitely looks more like 3-way move than a 5-way move, right? So I would be expecting the wave 3 to go above this one here, but so we don't get again the same issue we had before of the trend liner getting broken before the wave 3. Wave 2 here, yeah, not much to say. We could be looking at this as a WXY into wave 3 here, which again would, with the current price action, would look something like this. We'd be expecting it somewhere around this trend line, but again, if we are going to go above this 1-to-1 extension of the first wave, we would be looking for larger wave 4. If we are looking for, or below this 1-to-1 extension, we would be looking for a smaller wave 4 than wave 2. At that point, we don't get the chance to make this looking better, because we already have this structure here blocking basically. Otherwise, we are still within the same issue that we had here on the previous count. We would be having this some kind of a broken trend line again and coming into to continue this diagonal. That just doesn't happen very often. So this would again be very unlikely to happen in the future if that happens. So for wave 3, definitely expecting 1-to-1 above 1-to-1 extension for the wave Y here. So 3-way structure coming down here, getting up higher than 127.38 here. Let's label that as well. So that is my current outlook here on the small time frame. Nothing too bearish at the moment. I can't see that. Otherwise, that bearish count that I showed you before. But that is pretty much everything. All the options that I see at the very moment on the US oil. If you have other counts you would like to share, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below. Also, if you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video. Bye bye.